welcome. Thanks for stopping in at my channel. I'm Sandra, and I'm going to be doing a chain pull tonight. I'm hoping it's going to be in a heart shape. If it's not, then it's just going to be a regular chain pull, okay? I actually stumbled across something very interesting, and I had a lady ask me what I was using for my risers on some of my paintings. So you can see here they got little plastic risers here for my canvas. I also have tacks underneath, so when I'm done I can pull it off and put it on a rack to dry. But these risers are a very interesting story I stumbled across. Do you ever get really hungry when you're painting or doing stuff? Well, I was one day, and I decided to have myself a little bit of Pringles in these little lunchbox containers. And as it turns out, these containers have a nice little groove that fit perfectly for your canvases as risers. So that's what I'm using, is reusable Pringles snack containers. Okay, I'm busted. I like my Pringles potato chips, but they work excellent. So if anybody's looking for risers for their paintings, they work great. Have yourself a little snack and you're set. All right, so I have the white acrylic ready to go. I'm gonna give it a quick little torch to get some of the bubbles out. I remember to put my microphone on this time, so you should be able to hear me fairly well. If you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe. I'd much appreciate it. Subscribe, I should say. I think I said that wrong, but subscribe button. I think it's on the bottom right-hand side, if I'm not mistaken. And that way you won't miss any more videos. Okay. So in the center, I want to do what they call a dip, I believe it is, with plastic. I'm going to do it with my metallic peacock pearl. I'm just going to do a little bit of a random sort of lines. I'm going to use my sugar plum, which is a navy color. And maybe I'll go this way with it. And then I'm going to use my favorite, which is my deep turquoise. Now I've been trying to figure out how to do a cool heart, because my twin sister loves hearts and I want her to come and be a guest and do a painting with me on a video. So I've just been playing around a little bit to see if I can come up with a cool idea for her. So I'm just going to lay the plastic down in the center here over those colors. And just give it a little bit of a press down. Move some of those colors around. Okay, so now I'm going to pull it up, just corner to corner, if I can get it up. There we go. Let's try this one. And this one. And this one. Straight up. There we go. Just to give it a kind of unique design. I see cells happening, so I'll give it a quick little torch. I like that design so far. Okay. So now I'm going to lay my chain down in the shape of a heart. I have two of them. They're just a regular ball chain, I guess you call it. Okay, so let's get it more into the shape of a heart, a little bit larger. Okay, then I'm going to do this one. Try and get it as close to the same as I can. And it is abstract, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I want to bring this up a little bit. All right, I think I'm happy with that. Okay, so now my idea is to put some color along the outside. So I'm just going to do just a couple of lines, mixing it up a bit. This one is berry wine. Okay, then I want to add some bronze. And I think I'm going to add some gold as well and make it really look rich. And as you can see, there's no real measuring involved. You just kind of do your thing. It's art. Okay, so my idea is to pull this now, and hopefully it works. Okay, and I'm going to pull this one. Well, I got the heart shape I wanted, so that's cool. Now I'm going to give it a little bit of a torch. All right, so now I want to get some of this color that I laid down at the beginning blown out a little bit. So I'm going to use my straw. Bear with me for a minute. I just want to do that to get some of the color moving. I lost my shape there a little bit, but that's okay. All right. I wish I would have had a little bit more gold happening and a little bit more pink, but I can pull some of it down into that line that's already there. Which one thing's nice about the fluid art, you can do that and it's moves for you fairly easily. There we go. I don't really like what's happening up top there. I'm gonna turn this. So I can do something with the top. Okay, let's see what we can do here. I'm not really sold on it. I'm not 100% sure. I'll lift it so you can take a look. It's kind of cool, but I need to do something else with it. I'm just not sure what. Okay, we'll leave the video as is for now, and if I decide to fiddle with it some more, I will definitely put the finished product as the thumbnail picture of the video. Thanks for watching, everybody.